Oh, where did you put the stick? It's gone. Where's your perch? Maybe they use it as their nesting material. These are the blue-back parrot from the Philippines. This is the female. As you can see, the beak is colorless, flesh in color, and the male easy to distinguish. It's red, and then it's called blue back because you can see the back is blue. The blue back parrot, also endemic in the Philippines. But there's another kind in Indonesia. I'm not really sure. I think it's a subspecies, or I don't know the term, but this one is actually a different subspecies. I think, I'm not sure, but I think in every island of the Philippines, yeah, this is from Luzon, the blue back parrot. Wait, I'll check the perch. Something's up.